Hello and welcome back to the complete course of Azure Machine Learning. Till now, we have learned how to train a model in local as well as in Azure. We have learned how to score a model, right, in Azure. And however, till now, we have used only the CSV file wherein we have trained the model on CSV file, we have scored the model on CSV file, right? However, in the real world, this might not be the case. The data would lie in a SQL database or non-SQL database or in a relational database or in a NoSQL database, right? So, how to register these data store into your workspace? So, in this lesson, we will do the demo of one of the database wherein your uh, data would resides. We'll see how to pull the data into your workspace and see how we can register it into your workspace, right? So let's get started. So here, this is the resources, right? All the resources what I have been created. So for this lecture, I have created a SQL database. So if you'll see here, I have created a SQL database with a name of demo12. The database name is demo12 and the service name is demo12 Azure. So I'll just click on this and see how it's happened, right? So here I have this demo12 database wherein we have a views like with a schema name as a sales LT and the table name is we got all categories. So here my data is residing. Now, how to pull this data, because this data is not residing into your workspace. There might be the scenario, this database is not residing into your location. So how to pull this data and how to connect between your workspace and this database so that you can pull this data from this table into your workspace and do the machine learning, right? So in the next chapter we'll see how do we register this table into your workspace or into your data store and how to use this data for your machine learning. Thank you.